In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to an image and save your Word file as a picture. First, open the Word document that you want to turn into an image. Make sure everything is laid out exactly how you want it to appear in the final picture. Check your fonts, colors, spacing, and page orientation, because the image you create will basically be a snapshot of what you see on the screen. Next, you'll want to select the part of the document you plan to convert. If it's just a specific section, click and drag your mouse to highlight that text, table, or object. If you want the entire page, you can press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select everything. Taking a moment to select only what you really need will help you avoid extra cropping later. Once your content is selected, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now you have that content saved on your clipboard, ready to paste somewhere else. The next step is to paste it as a picture inside Word. Right-click on the document where you want the image to appear. Instead of using the normal paste option, look for Paste Special. When the Paste Special window opens, choose Picture or a similar image format option. Word will then insert your selected content as a single image object on the page, rather than as editable text. With that picture now on your document, click on it once to select it. You'll see small handles or circles appear around the edges, showing that the image is active. You can resize it by dragging the corners, or use the picture format tools in the ribbon to adjust things like alignment and position. This is your chance to make sure it looks exactly how you want the final saved image to appear. Now you're ready to save it as an actual image file. Right-click on the image and choose Save as Picture. A window will pop up asking where you want to save it and what format you'd like to use. Common choices are PNG or JPEG. PNG is usually better for clear text and graphics, while JPEG works well for more colorful content. Give your file a clear name. Choose the folder where you'd like to store it, and click Save. You've now successfully converted your Word content into an image file that you can share, upload, or use in other projects.